morning to all of you, or good day kung hapon, good afternoon sa mga estudyante nato diha sa Sumilihon Central. Sumilihon Elementary School, tanang grade 4 nako from section Pearl, Diamond, o Gold. So this day, we're going to talk about the difference between the food chain and the food web. For the previous lessons, we already talked about mga animals, right? Mga animals, and they lived in a habitat. And for them to survive, they need to eat. So, karon, let's talk about the difference between the food chain and the food web. Okay? So, we have here the summary. What is a food chain and a food web? So, let's dig into deeper. Atong sabton pag-ayo. Unsa ng food chain o unsa po ng food web? Okay? So, now let's go. So, what is a food chain? A food chain explains which organism eats another organisms in the environment. So, meaning, ang usa kuno ka animals or even person kaon sa food and then kaunon po siya og lain as a food. So it is a linear sequence of organism where nutrients and energy is transferred from one organisms to the other. This occurs when one organism consumes another organisms. It begins with the producer's organism, follows the chain, and ends with the decomposer organism. So, atong timan-an na in a food chain, kanunay gud na siya magsugod sa producer. O perminti na siya mo end sa decomposer. So, unsa man ni sila ning producer ug unsa po ning decomposer. So, I want you to look at this illustration. We have different kind of food chain here. Naay food chain na tulo lang, three-link food chain. But pasabot tulo lang sila diha na organism. Example, si corn ang naguna diri. So, remember, ang naguna sa food chain is the producer. So, here, the producer is the corn. Si corn, gikaon ni rat. Si rat, gikaon ni owl. So, tulo lang sila diha sa food chain. It's linear. So, naglinya lang sila. No? Another one, we have here the four-link food chain, like carrots. So here in the four-link food chain, si carrot ang atong producer. Gikaon siya ni rabbit. Then si rabbit gikaon ni fox. Tapos si fox gikaon ni lion. We also have five-link food chains. So, depende no kung kan asa dapit or kanu sa mahuman ang kinananay. No, di na siya mahuman hantod na di ta moabot sa decomposer. Here in this examples, wala diri si decomposers. I will show you more pictures later to understand kanus am gawa si decomposer. Here in the illustration, ang naalang diri si producer, which is the first part of the food chain, no? The first one in the food chain. So we have the grass, si grass gikaon ni grasshopper, si grasshopper gikaon ni frog, si frog gikaon ni python, si python gikaon pod ni eagle. Sige. Pwede po dili siya linear. As long as one direction lang siya. Looks like this, no? Murag nag-circle siya, pero one direction only. Ki-circle lang niya para creative. Pero linear lang gyapon siya kay one direction raman siya. So, si producer, mao tong plants. And then, gikaon siya ni grasshopper, then ni mice, then ni snakes, gikaon ni hawk, unya, diri na dayon ni gawa si decomposers, no? So, the last link in the food chain is the decomposer. And the first link in the food chain is the producer. Now, tan-awon ni mo ning another example here si food sa this one, the food chain. ah, again, magsugod siya kang grass, si grass, kauni ni grasshopper, gikaon ni bird, si bird gikaon ni snake, si snake gikaon ni owl. Then,